Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the most beautiful luxury homes, custom builds, and dream properties across the United States. If you love upscale living, modern design, and high-end home inspiration, you're in the right place. Today, we're touring a truly stunning luxury custom home near Marietta, South Carolina. This residence is designed for comfort, elegance, and modern living, offering spacious interiors, premium finishes, and a layout that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Make sure to watch till the end, because this home has some incredible details you won't want to miss. As we arrive at the property, the first thing you notice is the striking exterior design. The clean architectural lines, refined materials, and balanced color palette give this home a bold yet timeless presence. The landscaping perfectly complements the structure, creating a strong curb appeal that immediately sets the tone for what's inside. Entering through the front door, we step into a grand foyer that feels open, bright, and inviting. The ceiling height, natural light, and elegant finishes create an impressive first impression. This space instantly reflects the quality and craftsmanship that went into building this home. Moving forward, we enter the main living area. This open and airy space is designed to be the heart of the home. Large windows bring in plenty of daylight, creating a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this living room offers the perfect balance of comfort and luxury. Just off the main living space is the TV lounge, designed for both style and relaxation. This area is ideal for movie nights, family gatherings, or simply unwinding at the end of the day. The layout feels cozy without sacrificing the upscale look that flows throughout the home. Now let's head into the kitchen, which is truly a centerpiece of this property. This chef-inspired kitchen is designed with both function and beauty in mind. The spacious layout, premium finishes, and thoughtful design make it perfect for everyday use as well as entertaining. This is a kitchen where cooking feels enjoyable and hosting feels effortless. Connected to the kitchen is the dining area, offering a comfortable yet elegant space for meals and special occasions. The placement allows for easy interaction with the kitchen and living areas, making it ideal for both casual dining and more formal gatherings. This space is perfect for creating memories with family and friends. As we continue our tour, let's explore the bedrooms. Each bedroom in this home is designed as a private retreat, offering comfort, space, and a sense of calm. The primary bedroom stands out with its generous size and relaxing atmosphere, creating a true sanctuary within the home. It feels like stepping into a luxury hotel suite designed for everyday living. The bathrooms throughout the home reflect a spa-inspired design. Clean lines, modern fixtures, and high-quality finishes elevate these spaces into areas of relaxation. Every bathroom feels thoughtfully designed, adding to the overall luxury experience of the home. One of the standout features of this property is the dedicated home gym. This space allows you to maintain an active and healthy lifestyle without ever leaving your home. Whether it's a morning workout or an evening session, this gym adds both convenience and value to the property. We also have the garage, which is more than just a place to park. Designed with space and functionality in mind, it offers a clean, modern finish and plenty of room for storage or multiple vehicles. It perfectly complements the overall design of the home. Throughout the property, every detail reflects careful planning and quality craftsmanship. The layout flows naturally from room to room, making the home feel spacious, practical, and luxurious at the same time. This is a home built not just to look beautiful, but to be lived in and enjoyed every day. Homes like this represent the best of modern custom construction, combining style, comfort, and long-term value. It's easy to imagine creating a lifetime of memories in a place like this. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more luxury home tours, custom builds, and dream home inspiration from across the USA. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves luxury homes, and let us know in the comments which part of this house you like the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon on the next incredible tour here at American Dream Mansions.